Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to sort by number. So as example I will create number, in here I will create 1, second I will set into 2, or 3, number 4, and number 4. Now you can sort at this column and then you can create new filter. So click these icons to show the filter and you can see we have this number, you can clear all. And then like I will sort only number 1, you can click OK. So to be only one show in the area. I will click here again and then you can change like number 2 or you can set number 1 and number 2. Okay, that's it for basic Google Sheet tutorial how to sort by number. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.